Okay, good night, everyone. My name is Arley Cano. I belong for the English 3. Tonight I will expose my video about the guy. Yes. Uh, First, than one, I want to to take the first moment because I can't get the interview with my teacher, with my professors, because I don't write in time. Okay, I I will go. The first in the first moment of the synchronous interview, the student and the tutor will engage in a conversation about personal information in which the student is expected to talk about the general information such as uh, marital status. Okay, I am married with my Viviana is my wife. City of residence. I from Antioquia, but I live in Popayan. Family group. My family group is composed to my with my little daughter, my little son, and my wife. We live in Popayan together. Um, Likes and dislikes and the professional academic. I likes about the times every like. I likes to spend time with my family and get the times. Bueno, okay. Tutor will ask different questions to guide the conversation, although spontaneity from the student will be appreciated. Um, Disafortunately, no, I can't get the meeting with my teacher because don't write in time, don't fill up in time. In the second moment, uh, with interesting place, I will talk about the most interesting place he has visited. Um I think so. The San Andres Islas is the most interesting place that I have visited. Uh, how this changed over years on who and how he. I think it's no more change. Bueno, okay. Uh, Things in change in the future. Vimos que San Andrés Islas, uh, I think so, it be changed a little. Uh, Talk about some of the activities you did in this place by focusing on the environment aspect. Okay, I was with my wife. Uh, we spent a great time together alone, she and me. It was a wonderful experience. Choose a time frame for the show established by your tutor to carry off the interview. Ok, espero que eso valga en algo como la entrevista, si el profesor lo permite. Bueno, ya entrando en materia en el video, dice, the students will record a video of themselves explaining with the choose the company they did the writing exercise. How does this family contribute to pollution in our world? That opinions and demands did they express in the formal letter to send. Additionally, students will provide an ecological solution to the problem of this company and will express how this impacts the environment in a possible way. Okay, I choose the letter. I choose the company. The company Industria Licorera del Cauca. That I thought that is pollution, contribute to pollution of the environment. I'm writing this letter to you because I want to express my disagreement with the management of sale waste general in process. The process that you are carrying out for the manufacture of liquors are pollution the water. They are pollution products into the river beds on one of the largest companies in Cauca. I ask you, in that time, I ask you them that the more responsible with environment the process. Um, I think about the solution to the provident ecological to the problems of this company. I think they have to recompose the environment. I think they go to a port with grow arms uh, for the evolution. They have to social companies to environment them. Uh, mm, Thanks a lot. Sincerely, numerally Cano Roldán. Sí, mi amor, espérate que estoy grabando acá. Ah, qué miedo, pues.